Akka, so many lights!
Don't get lost.
Here you go, young man.
My father gave me money to buy this.
Whoa!
Hey, come back!
I'm gonna get you!
I'm a balloon. Where did it go? Balloon, come back! Akka, he's crying. Oh, don't worry. We'll find him. Okay, Akka. Let's go.
Don't cry. We will try to get your balloon.
Really?
Yes, let's go.
It's going to fly away! Hold the rope steady! I am! It's heavy! You're almost there! Keep going! I got it! I got it for you! Thank you, sister. Thank you, brother.
Sometimes heroes don't need powers. It's okay, sweetie. We're here.
But I wanted to see the temple.
We'll go together. Come on.
Yes, let's go.